Chris Reynolds.
Okay.
Legend.
Nice. Oh.
Hey y'all, so we got a banger today. We got a special guest. We got a UNC Charlotte legend, my boy Chris Reynolds.
Okay.
Legend, man. This guy broke all types of records at the school. I was there a year, so I actually got to really see him ball and really see him play.
5, touchdown! End zone, he's got him in! Touchdown! In! Touchdown! Charlotte! He's going to get in for the touchdown. Charlotte 49ers.
He's a baller, so we're going to get some work in today. I'm going to pick his brain a little bit. He going to help me tighten up my mechanics. And yeah, man, get some good conditioning. It's going to work.
Yes, sir.
Let's
Do a quick warm up, a couple towel drills, quick to our base work, quick twitch, sudden movement stuff. We'll hit some quick game.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard the man. Time to work. What we got?
Step and twist.
Back.
Let's go every step now. Wow.
Oh, dang, I did it.
Yeah.
Hey, what was your favorite year at Charlotte?
I mean, 2019's got to be the favorite year.
Sure.
I mean, first winning season.
Yeah.
You start 2-5, then finish 7-5. First bowl game, first winning season. Go to Bahamas.
Oh yeah. I was gonna ask, was that the year y'all made y'all first bowl game? It was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Under Will Hilly, man. He a legend around them parts too.
21 could have been cool if we would have went to a bowl game, but beating Duke was awesome.
Yeah. I remember that year. I
Right
remember
after
that.
COVID. That was dope.
Yeah.
But probably 19. It's got to be.
Yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up, bro. I got to witness that season as well, so it was dope.
Yeah.
It was dope.
Fun.
Y'all was on one that year.
Yeah.
Y'all was on one.
Let's go big on circles board. Backward. Go hugs. Thumbs down. Arm across. Left arm across. Right behind.
And what was the most challenging part about being a D1 quarterback?
Left arm behind. I think the most challenging part was just understanding going year to year.
Yeah.
You're starting over.
Yeah.
Like preparation, like there's no handouts. You can't just expect your success from one year just to carry over to the next.
Right.
You know, so understanding that going into, for example, 19 to 20, 20 to 21, you have to wipe everything clean, start over, start back at block one and regroup.
Count.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Whatever you were good at, make sure you hit that. But whatever you're not as good at, make sure you hammer
improve
that.
there too. Yeah. And camp, I can tell y'all firsthand, college camp is always the toughest. You got to be up early. You got 2 to 3 workouts. You got film.
Oh yeah.
It's hot, so this be the toughest. They gonna test you. They gonna test you mentally and physically, and you gotta do a lot of
6:30 in the morning till about 10 at night.
Yeah, it's just all football during camp. And like I said, they're gonna test you mentally and physically. And the first thing you got when you get there is the conditioning test.
Yes.
Y'all had a conditioning test too when y'all first got there? Yeah. And I was wearing no joke. Like we had 110s, basically you run all the way down to the end of the football field, come back, and they're gonna run you until everybody is tired, exhausted. So make sure y'all ready for that when y'all go to camp.
Yeah. Let's go goalpost series. Full walk.
sir. The same thing going back, right?
Yep. Palms forward. Nice.
My legs on 100 right now. I had physical therapy yesterday.
APT.
Yeah, cause I've been going ever since I tore my Achilles.
Pinkies forward.
And right here.
Yep.
And 2022, I tore my Achilles. That was crazy, bro.
Oh my gosh. How'd you do that?
Man, I ain't gonna lie. I wasn't stretching that day at all, and it caught me by surprise too, though, cause I probably was maybe 10 pounds heavier. So moving around and you put on that weight and you making certain movements without stretching that much, it's gonna.
Thumbs forward. Yeah, there you go.
It's gonna.
Yeah, no doubt. I'll get you, bro. Right now, the Achilles injury is probably the most common right now. It's like the new ACL.
Right. Yeah, bro. Gotta get back to the basics. Stretch.
All right, let's do a quick understanding, Ray, of our foot strike and what we're trying to do with our upper body. Just kind of sequencing a little bit. So let's think we're hitting our front step and we're closing our left shoulder. Front step, close the left shoulder. Front step, close the left shoulder. Good. Yes. Good. 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 Back that left foot up. Think about step more out here a little bit.
Wait, this way?
Yeah, just a little bit. Good, now close the shoulder. Yes, there it is. Over exaggerated, perfect. Creating that torque, right? Your hips are going one way and your shoulders are going the other. All right, now let's cross our arms like this. And now we're gonna step, turn, close, step and close, turn. So in fast motion, we're here.
So you close when you settle, you just come here and close, then go.
Yep, so if I'm going in slow motion, right here, step. It's like unleashing everything. Good, now you go step, go. Go, find your rhythm. Good, one more, drag the back toe. Yes, one more. Good, now, let's add a hitch to it. So now it's like a 3-step hitch. Good, and if we can honestly think too much, we can rotate around our toe to the pinky. To the pinky. So make sure we're staying connected. Yeah. Yes, I like that. Yes, one more. Good, perfect movement. So now we took the arms out of it, right? And that's how your lower body should work with your upper body. Now we're gonna put a towel in your hand, right? And so you can see upper body with it, or the arm.
So this next week we're gonna add a towel with it, get that strike motion going, get that arm loose, get that blood flowing early.
That goes in your left. The blue ball is for front side stability. So I like to think that your left leg and your left arm is your brake system, right?
Right.
This is your sports car on your right arm. But we're trying to move that as fast as we can into a brick wall. The last thing that we want is this thing to fall away, right?
Right.
Let's go step and throw first, see where we're at. Good. Quick strike. How fast can I get my foot down? Good. 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 Shot. Now, my hand on top of your head. Go for it. Good. Nice. There's one more. Throw this one sidearm. Yep, throw this one sidearm. Okay, one more. There's the reason why I like that. I'm saying sidearm. You're not throwing sidearm.
Right.
You're right here, right?
Yeah.
I like you working inside out with the football, keep my shoulders level, rather than you overcompensating with this. Because we're rotationary throwers, right? So it's hard to be rotationary to switch up and become a linear thrower. or that you stay rotationary the whole time and work inside out.
Right.
Keep the ball on path.
Keep the shoulders.
Correct. So if there's a pole coming across your shoulders, there's a bucket of water on each side, I want that water spilling. Okay?
Absolutely. So right now we just working on keeping the shoulders level, keeping everything balanced, and keeping my head still.
Yep.
Basically.
Yep. Go for it again. Go one more round. Two more. One more. Good. Good job. Very good. Take the ball for you.
I ripped the ball.
Turn, rotate ball. How still can I keep my head?
Right here?
Yep.
Straight forward.
Yep. Nice. Well, I also want to work thinking like, can I get to extension? Right. I want you to feel like almost like a stress on the top of your bicep. Bottom of your bicep. Pinky forward, thumb down. A little slick today.
It is.
Did you throw yesterday?
Nah, like the day before.
With
I've
me?
been breaking it in though.
The one with me?
Yeah, that was the last time I did it.
I don't remember feeling like that.
Yeah. You've been breaking it in slowly.
Yeah.
And it's been sitting in the car in the heat.
We need to get you some baseball mud. That's the one. When you put some
talking about
baseball
like
mud on it,
Yeah.
let it dry, scrub it off. The one. Good. You're good. Now let's go here. Just step and throw like normal, like we're playing catch. Same thing. Can I keep my left side firm? Right. Rotate into my firm front side. Keep my chest back and my head still. Nice. Good. Now I don't want you to feel that you want to throw. I just want you to nice and easily pull it back. All right? Stop our rotation and pull it back. Nice. Three more.
Bro, you know, I ain't never really do the pullback until I started with you.
Really?
Yeah.
I love that. I love this that cue. It just stops the rotation. It puts our brakes on.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? At release point now, it teaches us to get our chest to our target.
Yeah.
One more.
Let's go.
Good. Good. Now let's go rhythm 2-3.
We got rhythm 2-3. Throw. You still want me to pull it back after?
No, you're good right now.
All right, cool.
Nice. One more. Yep. Good. Push that way a little bit. Now same thing, let's work alignment, right? 2, 3. Instead of 2, 3 straight back so we don't pull open. Right? So 2, 3, go right to it. A little bit of this, right? If we miss high or low, it's this. All right. Big pull back this one. There it is. Two more. Huh?
I said, there we go.
Sir, two more. Yep. One more. Nice. Good. Rotate that way.
So now going to the right. The issue isn't pulling open, the issue is back foot alignment. So make sure through 3 that it's like there's an eyeball on my foot and it's pointing exactly at me. Okay?
You still right here?
Yeah, right there. Good wrap. Yep. Good. Yep, one more. Nice. Very nice. Mont, looking good, bro. Let's go with our 360, right? Challenging our base and our head stability. So instead of popping up and down, think about rotating around. We're gonna be facing away first, rotating right with 2 flips. 1, 2, ball. Rotate one more to finish the progression, right? We don't want our hips and head jumping up and down because what comes up has to come down. It takes time. Keep our head. If somebody was holding my head, I'm rotating around. Okay.
So I got my back to you?
Yep, correct. Right. Go right. So 1, 2, ball, and rotate right.
Gotcha.
Okay. Nice. Good. Good. 2 more there. You good. Set him with the feet. Set him with the feet. Good. Let's go 1 more there.
Oh.
All good.
No, I did. No, I didn't. That ain't too often. That ain't too often. Shake them dreads, shake them dreads, shake them dreads.
That's the front side.
Yeah.
That's all it was.
Yeah, I pulled too much. It's definitely slick now.
Let's go 1 more. Nice. Good. Good, good, good. All right, let's talk about real fast the detail of like you're on the move, right? You're on the run, and you have to have a sudden stop.
Right.
Right? You have to pop ball. So for example, you're running naked, right? Bootleg. You're running like flat, flood, you have your backside over. Okay? So we're rolling to it. We have a nickel pressure on the outside. We need to pop and stop.
Yeah.
So instead of pitter patter, and ball, it takes too much time.
Yeah.
Okay? So I want you to think of this like a receiver running a curl route. Receiver runs the curls, they pop, drop with the left, drag with the right, then come back to the ball. Same thing, we're here, like boom, we get pulled up, pop with the left, drag with the right ball. So in fast motion, it's here, boom, boom, ball.
So
Okay?
you're basically using that back foot to steer you,
Yep.
get you
The
settled.
left is the plant, the right is the drag. So it's just while you're coming back to your cone, just pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop. Go for it. Oh, it's left, drag with the right. Correct. Yep. Good. Now bring the right earlier.
You mean like step? Oh, yeah.
So meaning like you kind of have, yes,
Yeah, I'm
correct.
kind of dragging it, yeah.
Yep. Yep. Good. Now when you go back to the cone, we're gonna go 3 ways, okay? We're gonna do 3 reps to each side. You're gonna run forward, ball. Reset, run forward again. Ball. You're gonna go 3 to the right, you're gonna go 3 to the left. Throw. Okay.
So is it a time when I gotta throw it, or you gonna crowd ball, or
You're
gonna
gonna throw it. So you just find your rhythm.
All right, gotcha. You might wanna step to the side a little bit.
So I want it, but you can set up. So
Yeah,
it looks like
yeah.
this.
Nice.
There it is. Nice. 2 more there. Yes. One more. Yep, good. Now let's go 3 to the right.
Step it to the right, step it to the right.
Yes. Nice. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Good. Now to the left. Yes. Yep. Good one.
Turn a little bit more to the left.
Yep. Nice. 1 more. Yepper. Nice. Right now, rocket chair. Right. Let's think. Did we do rocket chair last time or no?
Nah, we didn't do that.
All right. So what you're doing, you're taking your shoulders and we're challenging them. Okay. We want to go deeper with more accuracy. We got to add tilt instead of overstride. Okay. The longer the foot's in the air, the worse. We want a fast foot strike. Okay. So if you feel like there's a line splitting, we go back, we go down, we go up, we go up. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up. Whenever you feel ready, you feel comfortable, hitch up, ball with tilt.
Got you. You gonna call ball?
No, it's on you.
All right.
Whenever you
So
feel
he called this the rocket chair. We literally just rocking, and then on me, I put the ball in there.
Find your rhythm, find your rhythm. Go slow first.
Yeah.
Back and down, up and up. Correct.
Hey, you want me throw it from the tilted angle or I choose?
With the angle.
All right,
I want you to exaggerate this.
I got you. It's a bucket. It's a bucket. How many out there dropping down?
Yep. One more. See how high you get the ball in the air.
I got you. Hey, watch this dom. Watch how long it be in the air. Hang time.
Yeah, there it is. I like that.
Hang time.
Good rep.
Hang time, baby.
Dish, water or anything?
Man, it's kind of humid out here.
Yeah, need water.
Already.
Sure. Get into it.
Right now, good. You know, you start speeding up.
You know how we roll. You know how I was thinking eyes before feet. Eyes before feet. Eyes before feet. Okay. So we're here with it. You on this side. Is that Lightning McQueen?
Lightning McQueen.
That's Lightning
You
McQueen.
know your favorite.
Good job. So you're right here, shuffling right, and the first thing you gotta do is eyes. 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 Because every progression you gotta go eyes before your feet.
Right.
Or you're gonna be out of whack. Two things will happen if you go feet first. Say we're working a we're running fade out with dig, curl, or Y cross, fade out, understand over Mike, curl. We go feet before the eyes, we're throwing blind. Or feet before the eyes, then we have an extra hitch and we're late. Right? So hyper focus here, keep a solid base, keep my head stable, eyes, feet, okay, then ball.
Nice. Ball.
Reset.
Yep. Nice. 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 Ball. Nice. 3 more.
Try to speed this one up.
Nice. Ball.
No hands.
Nice. Nice. Ball. Nice job. 1 more.
It's a ball there.
Yes, sir. Nice. 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 Ball. Catch your breath.
Woo! I knew he was gonna speed it up. I knew it. Hey, I need water now. We done with the water break. About to go check back in with him, see what we got next. We're gonna keep working. We tired, but we're gonna keep working all the way to the end. Let's go. Hey, what was your favorite game at Charlotte?
Duke.
Is the Duke?
Gotta be. Good thing about it. Think about it.
Y'all went there? No, they came here.
They came to us. Think about it like this: COVID, right? Most games canceled in college football in 2020.
Yeah.
Right. First game of the year, we get bumped up to week 0.
Yeah.
Right. Means we're the first game of all of college football, like of the year.
Yeah.
Right. CBS Sports, pack Charlotte Stadium after COVID, comeback win for your first Power 5 win, mobbed.
Yeah.
Unbelievable experience.
Yeah, y'all heard it. Duke.
Yeah. Duke.
What year was it? 2021?
2021.
2021. Y'all heard it, Duke.
Yeah, that was huge.
I think I watched that game a little bit.
Yeah, that was a good
I
one.
think I tuned in online.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's a good one, bro.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, the 800-yard rushing guy right here. I gotta get right. I gotta catch up.
The legs don't move like they used to.
You don't think so? I think they can, bro. I think they can.
Yeah, just give me a couple months, I can get them
You
back.
know what I'm saying? That's it. What we got?
It's the same thing. So basically what we're gonna do now is you're gonna go through the cones. So I can say reverse. Okay, so what I mean, boom, reverse. I can say shoot left or shoot right now. Shoot left, ball. Or shoot right, ball. Quick evasive movement. So it's either gonna be going through reverse, or I can just go through and shoot left, ball.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
All right. So as I'm coming down, you can call reverse, and I had to go back to that previous cone. All right. Gotcha. So this some quick, fast twitch movement. You have to be quick. You have to react fast. Cause I gotta move on him. That's just like you evading that pressure. You gotta keep the feet hot, keep the feet moving.
Reverse. Shoot left, ball. Nice.
Woo! I like that. I like that. It's quick.
Shoot right, ball. Nice. Yes, sir. That's game speed. That's game speed.
Damn. You get the ball wet.
Reverse. Ball. Nice. Nice.
Feel it on my thyroids, man.
Yeah, catch your breath. Take 15 seconds.
Just a little breather. Woo. We playing against Bama front 5 right now.
Yeah.
They sending they nickel back.
No doubt. They're bringing it all. Cover 0.
Cover 0.
Reverse. Shoot left, ball. more. Shoot right ball. Nice. Good. Last one.
That was a quick one.
Reverse. Reverse. Shoot left ball. Nice. Good rep. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. On the west side. Originally north side, but I get a west side. West Charlotte.
It's like good work.
Class 2018.
It's like good work.
And what you came out 17, didn't you?
17.
Yeah.
When I graduated from Davie.
What city was that?
They went to Salem.
Went to Salem?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh yeah, facts,
Right outside
facts.
of it.
Hey.
We played like my third round of the playoffs in high school was against Hendon Hooker.
That's sweet.
Yeah. We had them
Y'all
tied.
games was pretty packed.
Yeah, we packed out because we were good my senior year.
Oh, so you made the you got it to the third round?
Yeah.
The game before state?
2 games before state.
2 games?
Right before the state semi.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, like, in my opinion, if we would have won that Dudley game, we would have won all the way. Because
Yeah.
Dudley was the team. Like,
Yeah.
we were tied going into the fourth, I think, so it got us.
Oh, y'all played Dudley. I heard about Dudley.
Yeah,
I
very
heard
good. Very good.
Yeah.
Let's do. Now we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna go quick game.
All right, cool.
Quick game, then routes.
All right.
Same thing with your suddenness, okay? So we're here. I can shoot you anyway, okay? So you're here. 2-3. 2-3. 2-3 up. Right. Ball for me. Alright? Or 2-3 run up. Left. Ball to me. Okay? Working an evasive movement to an aggressive stop. Okay? Keeping good posture. One thing we don't want to happen with everything moving forward is falling forward. Stay back with the chest, rotate through, stop the front set.
All right. So we setting up, we stopping.
Stop.
All right.
But evasive movement once you hit the first cone.
Yeah, so we're working at that sudden stop. Got pressure, come up, set up, make an accurate throw.
Run up. Left.
Ah!
Yeah. So I did a bad job explaining.
Oh, you run up. Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah, cause I was back there like a sitting duck.
Yeah, you good.
Gonna get sacked.
Run up. Right. Ball. Nice.
No hands today, bro. What is going on?
Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
God.
Left. Wrap. Wrap. Right.
I know exactly what happened. I ain't pull 2, step through. So right now we're working on our quick game, and the first route we're gonna work on is the hitch. So I got a 1-2 punch hitch. So it's quick game. Let's go.
Good. Now get your shoulder closed. A lot of times, especially going on the right, you're gonna have them just staying open. Right? There it is. That's better. 2 more. One more. Chest back.
Yeah.
Good.
Third time I always the charm.
Yeah. Let's do this one. Let's go double slants. Boom. Punch one, reset to the second.
Yeah.
See the first one clear, eyes to the second. Nice, good. Good breath. Nice. Good. One more.
High shot.
Front side.
But was it me or was it raining this morning? I knew I wasn't tripping. He was up super early.
Nice, good job. That's better. All right, let's work a 4-step out. So I'm thinking stick, right? Stick, you're always working outside in, never inside out, okay? No one is here. So if you're my fade out stick, I'm going here, punch one, working her out, okay? Make sure our back foot gets aligned. Nice, good.
Feel good, man. Feel loose. Feel real loose today. Early this morning. I might have to do this more often. Get them early morning workouts. I'm gonna have to bring a towel next time.
Yeah, for real. I got some towels actually if you want it.
I mean, we good.
I didn't realize it was gonna be this dewy.
Yeah, me neither. But I think it was raining early this morning though, if I
Yeah.
ain't mistaken. I think I heard some rain.
Better. Nice. 2 more there. Nice, 1 more. Yep.
That's the best one.
Yes, sir.
I felt that one.
Good work.
I felt that.
Let's go RPO glands.
RPO?
RPO glands. You can fake 2 or away.
Alright.
We're thinking this is the boundary receiver. We got a single high look. They rotate down to the boundary for 1 support. Right, we're buzzing right behind his ear.
Gotcha. Hey, so for all my do-it-threat quarterbacks, really any quarterback nowadays, we're working an RPO game, and I'm taking that shot right over that nickel.
Yeah, for this one, it'd be the boundary safety.
Yeah. So it'd be the boundary safety for this side of the field. So we're going to get ready to work that. Let's go.
The hard part, when you do it, make sure everything gets aligned.
Yeah.
Because now you're just gonna pull. Better, 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 better. That's good. 2 more. Yeah, good. 1 more.
Ah.
Good. All right, now let's work dig and sail off of a movement. Okay.
All right.
So we'll go 3 each, and we'll go long toss. So I want to go play action, 3 and a hitch. All right. Slight movement left to right, back or up. I'm gonna give you the movement at the top.
All right.
Okay.
So we're working play action, fake here, get my 3-step drop, go through my progression, hit my target.
Left. Good. Now keep your chest back.
Yeah.
Then you're golden. Off movement stuff's hard.
Yeah, definitely.
Really
Get
good.
reset.
Oh, yeah. Right. Nice, there it is.
Yeah. Yes,
Nice.
sir.
One more there. Back. Nice. Good recovery.
Yeah.
Sir, one more. Up. Nice. Yes, sir. Let's go. Sail. Same thing. Now just deep out.
Yeah.
Up. Nice. Good. Right. Good. Chest back. Think 2 ball.
Yeah. Woo. It's good work. Working while you tired. Go.
Left. Chest back. Yeah. There it is. Good. Long toss.
Yeah. Woo! It's good work, baby.
Go. Go 4-4-4.
Pull up, press it in that bitch, baby. That's how we work, baby. Staying loyal to the grind.
Ready?
It's every day, no days off.
4 from there. You do like smooth 3 and a hinge.
All right. Woo, that's a ball.
Yep, good. You back up too?
Huh?
You backed up too, didn't you?
Yeah, I had just got a moment with the.
Gotcha. Here, also, I moved back too, so I was like an extra 10 yards. Nice. Good ball. Good. Yeah. See? Nice. One more. Or 3 more total throws. Stretch it out here.
You back up 5 more, you want?
Let's get it. Yeah. That's a ball. Yes, sir. Two more. Yeah. Good. Last one here. Let her fly, baby. Let her fly. Game winner. Yeah. Good ball. Good finish.
Woo! That's a ball.
Yeah, you let that one fly, bro.
Hey, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know, we got some great work today with my guy.
Sir.
With my guy. It's always a pleasure, bro, working with
Always.
Chris, bro.
It's that good work.
I'm telling you, bro.
Yes,
Just
sir.
to be able to
Detailed, focused work.
facts. And just be able to get that intensity and that thought process of a D1 guy that played at a high level. That's always a plus, man. So I appreciate that, bro.
Yes, sir. We'll run it back.
My guy Chris, bro.
Not the last time
Yep.
either.
Hey, tune in for next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hey, stay loyal.